So again, I read a rather interesting article on WorldNet Daily. I'll attach the link. You're not going to have to look for it. The title is Human Rights Court Approves Killing Injured Patient. And this is taking place in Europe. A gentleman by the name of Vincent Lambert. He was involved in a car accident in 2008, and he's been in a coma since then. And the courts, the European Court of Human Rights, has ruled that his feeding tube and his hydration tube can be removed, which would result in his death. The article talks about a number of other individuals as well, right here in the United States. If you remember Terry Shivro, she was in a coma for a period of time. And when her husband started dating, he requested that the tubes be removed from her. Her brother tried to petition the court because she was beginning to form words. Jeb Bush, who was governor at that time, tried to prevent that from occurring as well. Ultimately, he said it's in the hands of the courts, and the courts ruled to allow her to die. The article also talks about another gentleman by the name of Martin Pistorius. Now, Martin was in a vegetative state for 12 years. 12 years. And when he finally came out of it, he said that he knew what was going on around him quite often, but he could do nothing about it. He's recovered to the point where he's able to use a computer, communicate with other people. The question I think that has to be asked is, who has a right to decide that someone should die? Are they doing this because of the cost associated with keeping someone alive? If Martin Pistorius wasn't kept alive, he would have been killed, since he did recover. Was Terry Shivro murdered by the courts? I don't know. But I definitely see more of this occurring. The article talks about thousands of people in Europe that are in similar stages as was Vincent Lambert. How many thousands of people are in the United States in a similar position as is or as was Vincent Lambert? I don't know, folks. With the cost of medical services spiraling out of sight, do you not see how this is going to be applied here on a regular and frequent basis? I do.